Well, right now I am just testing out the microphone, the onboard microphone on the Nikon Z30. It has always boasted this vlogging capable microphone with the camera. I personally don't know how this is going to sound like, but this is how it would sound like. I am hand holding the camera with the kit lens at 16mm, and yeah, I think this is actually quite a good fair bit of field of view actually. I mean, it's not too tight, it's not too wide, it's just nice I think for vlogging. And if I were to have a small tripod beneath it, might be able to hold it even better. But again, this is how to test the audio, how it would sound like when you have the onboard microphone of the Nikon Z30. And now for comparison, I am going to plug the Rode Videomicro on it and see how it would sound like right about now. And this is how it would sound like if you were to have the Rode Videomicro on the camera itself. Okay, so I don't know how this would sound like. Again, the same thing, just hand holding it. And well, I don't know, hopefully it sounds just as good as the onboard microphone does. I do have the dead cat on it, so this is how the audio would sound like if you were to vlog with the Nikon Z30. And yeah, so this is how it would look like. Again, just testing out the audio capability of the camera. This is with the Rode Videomicro, and the other one was with the onboard microphone of the Nikon Z30. Okay, so that's how it will sound like, and I will see you guys in my next video, making this short and quick video just to hear how it actually would sound like if you were to vlog with this. As far as the field of view goes, I think this is a very good field of view for vlogging. I'm gonna unplug the microphone now, and this is how it would sound like again with the onboard audio or the vlogging audio capsule of the Nikon Z30. I think it would probably sound good, maybe, but again, portrait, picture control, straight out of camera, 4K 24p, and yep, I'll see you guys in my next video.